In this video, I'll show you how to outline an object in Photoshop. So you'll either want to select your subject and make a layer of just the subject, or you can simply duplicate your image by hitting Command J. I'm on a Mac. If you're on Windows, it's Control J. And then on the second layer here, under Properties, we're just going to click Remove Background. So that's probably the fastest way to do that instead of selecting the entire subject. So we've already removed the background. If we hide our first layer, you'll see we've got a layer with just our subject. And what we're going to do with that layer is, with it selected, we're going to go up here to Layer, Layer Style, and Stroke. So we can adjust the size of the stroke here. We can bring it down or bring it up, and then if you select inside, if you wanted the stroke inside your image, in this case it kind of messes it up, so we're going to stay on outside, but that's how you do it. And let me show you, if you wanted to blur the background here to kind of emphasize your subject here, on our first layer, which is just the background now, if we click on that and we go up here to Filter, go down to Blur and select Gaussian Blur, with this slider right here, you can increase the blur in the background or decrease it. And so that is how you outline an object or a subject in Photoshop. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.